Well, I did it. Finally back here at deer camp. It's pretty late. I gotta get into bed so I can wake up early. Hope I don't disturb John too much. See you in the morning when I suit up, get back out into the field.
Oh, and good morning. Good morning, John.
Good morning.
It is daylight out. I got in super late. John and I didn't get back to bed till about 3:30 in the morning, so instead of going hunting in trees on an hour and a half of sleep, we're just starting the fire, getting warm, and then we can go out and hunt this evening. Glad to be back at deer camp. Everything's going great. Got a little wood left, got some water and food left. Could be good.
Glad to have you back, man.
Glad to be back. Miss Dick.
Miss Dick.
So we're making it out for the midday hunt. Got some apples in the cart, guns on the bag. Look at John, he's ready to go. How you feeling about tonight, John?
If I was feeling any better, I'd be dangerous.
Oh, I think you are dangerous. Just huffing our stuff out to the field. How many trips you guys made with the cart so far?
4 or 5.
4 or 5 trips. Super glad we got the cart though. Weather's great, it's gorgeous out here. Just resting a little before we get out there. Trying not to sweat too much. Clearly it's not helping. Glad it's cold. This is kind of an example of why people are terrible. John and Dick saw these tracks from this 4-wheeler coming up in here the other day. And we hiked in, we followed them. And there's actually 2 untagged deer there. There's a non-legal spike. The horn's only about 2.5 inches. And a doe, both of them are untagged. They clearly just took the parts they wanted and ditched the carcasses out here, left their gloves and everything. It's gross.
People are terrible.
People are terrible. This is why we don't have deer.
We've been out here for the evening hunt. Got out here noonish. Haven't seen anything. Been calling a boatload. Me and Drew back and forth. Snowing. That's about it. Beavers keep beavering around. A little swamp area behind me. A lot of birds. No deer.
Finally up in the tree. Put some apples out. It's gorgeous out here. Lots of deer tracks. Gonna be a great evening. Ooh, just heard a gunshot. Maybe since I hear a gunshot, they're moving.
Getting to that time of night where we're gonna have to turn in. As I'm looking at it, actually looks brighter on my phone than it is actually outside. But no luck with deer, so probably head back to the tent, warm up, do it again in the morning.
Ooh, made it back to camp. Gonna start us a little fire. Get the camp stove going. Get it a little warm in here. We didn't see any deer. I think they're not coming out till later right now. You know us, we're still hopeful. We got tomorrow morning and stuff. If we really wanted to sit tomorrow afternoon, we could, but if we're not seeing deer, there's no reason. Seem to like the apples. That's good. And we're just gonna get this fire kicking. Just making some grilled cheeses on top of the stove. Looking delectable.
It's gonna be delicious.
Just getting ready for bed. Gonna pick up the fire and close the damper and crawl into our bags and call it a night. See you bright and early, guys. Good night, John.
Good night.
Morning, John.
Morning, Drew. It's Tuesday morning. We're getting there, getting up. Got the stove going, had a muffin for breakfast. Gonna pack up soon and hit the trail. We should be able to hunt the fields on the smaller fields on our way out to the larger field. Planning on getting a buck before we head home.
Look at this beautiful morning. We're just getting into shooting light. So we're gonna get our packs on and get ready to head out. The tent really serves us well, man. Keep our packs under there. And we're right by the parking lot. Doesn't get a lot of traffic though. It's not bad. makes it convenient to pack up. The original plan was to hike the tent and stuff, you know, out to the third field, but we just realized we had so many loads with that cart. The cart's just too small to do that, and we can only take so much anyway. I mean, the cart might be able to hold 1,000 pounds, but we can't roll 1,000 pounds. How you feeling?
I feel like I'm ready to kill a buck.
Since we're hunting on our way out, gonna carry the gun. Oh man, it's so much lighter without the rifle on it.
I bet.
Can you imagine hiking out there with the ARs on our backs? It would send a decidedly different message.
Right?
Huron National Forest militia, here to protect the world from poachers.
Well, you only need one.
Oh, well, here we go. That's all I need. Remember that. Dick tip. It only takes one. Fully safe. All about safety at Michigan Adventure Life. To the hunt.
To the hunt.
Ah, the majestic Michigan hunter. Off into the woods for a day in pursuit of the great majestic white-tailed deer. Good day, Michigan hunter. Godspeed. Big buck tracks. You know what they say about big tracks? They come from the big bucks.
It snowed really well last night, so we know any tracks we find are fresh. So we're gonna stalk some tracks and see what's up.
All seem to be going different ways, so we're gonna take a look and see which one we want to follow.
Look at this big old scrape we just found. Got a nibbling branch in there, big old scrape on the ground. We're chasing a buck, boys and girls. Been following some more tracks, and we found this buck rub. Look at that. That's huge. Get my hand down by it. It's it is a significant buck.
Big buck. We've been stalking around all morning, checking out deer runs, different paths we can take.
Can't believe we never spooked anything.
We haven't seen any deer at all. We found a lot more clearings. They're all over, scattered all over back here.
Lots of deer sign.
A lot of deer sign, a lot of scrape rub.
Tracks, poop.
Everything. Some cool hunting spots where people have had blinds. We found some pretty neat ones, but no deer yet. So we're gonna take a break, drink some water, continue on.
Just on the back side of Dixfield, we're gonna head in there and then hunt around it. So we hiked around, killed our batteries a little bit, got back to camp, ate a little bit of cheese, saw some buck signs, didn't see any deer. I don't think they were moving last night.
Yeah, no new trails around where we were actually hunting. But everywhere we hiked, there is brand new trails everywhere else.
Yeah.
So they're around here.
So now we're just gonna pack up camp, load the trailer, and hit the road.